Hello everybody, and thank you very much for clicking on this video walk around of our beautiful Vauxhall Astra SRi Nav, finished in the beautiful metallic black colour. This particular car is a 1 litre turbo version, produces 105 brake horsepower, and you'll get over 48 miles to the gallon. It's a very economical and responsive drive. This car's got 13 months warranty remaining on it and has only had one owner from new. It's been very well maintained. And it's in excellent condition. I've had a good look round this car myself, and all the bodywork, paintwork and alloy wheels are all in absolutely superb condition. I'm happy to show you inside. As you can see, the interior is in good condition as the exterior. 3 seats across the back, really good leg room for rear passengers. As this is the SRi Nav, comes with some really good features such as the bigger touchscreen with the sat nav built in, that also houses the Bluetooth moving down to the car's climate control and lane departure warning and sports button. Onto the steering wheel, you've got your easy to use cruise control and audio settings as well on there. As you can hope to see from the video, this car's in excellent condition both inside and out. I fully recommend having a look at the video just next to this one, which is a technician's appraisal. That gives you a really good insight into the car's condition under the bonnet and underneath the car, the bits that you wouldn't normally get to see. And if you have any questions or would like to arrange a test drive, please give one of us a call on 0113 271 2288. Thank you very much for watching.